Every day, thousands of individuals are making videos, are making posts, and they're all focused on making money on Facebook, on YouTube, on any social media platforms. It is well proved that millions of people are now targeting to skip and touch this gold mine that is called social media. In today's video, I'm going to show you that most people do not get what they want, do not put their hands on this gold mine because of different reasons. And there are some aspects that we do consider as to the experience that I've gotten now for 4 years. What exactly do we need to do before, after uploading a video? Specifically, it can be for YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, all. These ones will cut across. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening from wherever you're watching us from. This is Christine, your lady, the lady that says, I cannot hold a smartphone and beg for bread. This is a disclaimer. These videos are for educational purposes, you guys. I just bring things that have a few tips that have worked for me and have worked for people around the world, to dispense them to you and to encourage you. You can go ahead. I give you 10% of the information. Go ahead and make your research. If you feel you can jump on the vehicle with us, you can jump on it. And if you feel it is not worthy, no worries. So let's dive in. But before we dive in, I want to say thank you to all our engagers. You are doing so much. This is one of the things that makes us stay here, that makes our videos move so fast. Is it true that we earn money on social media? Yes, we earn money on social media. Is it true that some people have joined social media and have given up within the first year because they did not get the money that people talk about? Yes. Is it a scam? It's not a scam. Is it a motivational talk because of views? No. What I'm going to share with you today is what I've learned. I've learned like around 8-10 things that always make our earnings and make the algorithm and make the videos not give us money. So this is what I'm sharing with you. I've really followed it, and I think I'm almost getting that gold. So let's jump in and we see. All they can call them best practices. I've applied them on YouTube, I've applied them on Facebook and on TikTok. So if you apply them and they are being backed by some of the tools, because I normally have some tools that help me. Do you have a smartphone, you're connected to internet and you're ready to move? This video is for you. So the first thing you do, the moment you conceive an idea to make a video, first do a thumbnail. Because a thumbnail, believe it or not, all of us have great content. All of us, your content is great, my content is great. But when they put it in the market, there are things that should attract. A thumbnail is a doorway. A thumbnail is a customer care. A thumbnail is a billboard that welcomes people. So when you go to the SEO, that is search engine optimization, what they consider most is thumbnail should be of high resolution thumbnail. Its resolution should be high, so meaning it should be clear. And you know, with YouTube, the thumbnail should be 16:9 aspect ratio. You ensure that thumbnail shows up crisp and clear on a devices by publishing a high resolution version. Some of us, we didn't know this, but now that we came to know, that's why I'm bringing it for you. The second best practice is add tags to your title. Most of us, we don't know. But how did I come to know? One, I always learn every day, and I'm using YouTube itself to learn. I'm using ChatGPT to learn, and I'm also learning from people, these SEO experts who always send me messages, say, can we do it for you? Because sometimes you give someone, okay, do it for me, but you find the video is the same. So I learn from them so much. Then the third best practice is add tags to your description. Before I go to add tags to your description and add tags to your title, guys, the moment you make a video, when you make a video and you get its title, that title, at least put its like 3 or 2 supported related tags that you have in your tagline. Then for the tags in your description, you need this. It is very, very good. It's recommended to have at least 1 or 2 tags to appear in your title to get more views from search and related videos for search terms. And also the same applies to your description. It is also generally important to have multiple tags to appear in the first lines of text in your video description. These ones all I learned them from SEO's experts, and they are working for me now. Then the fourth one is title length. You guys, this one is where we always go wrong. When I came to know this, I always make my title to be as short enough to be readable. It should not overlap. Like for example, how to make money on YouTube in a year. You will find by the time you finish, it cannot be readable all. So what you do, you generally want your video to have a video title to be long enough, to be descriptive, but not too long to where it becomes hard to read. Where it becomes hard to read, if you see there is a part that is not readable, please, you can trim it in terms of, not as you cut it, but you can shorten it and it remains with the same meaning or message. Then we have tags length. I didn't know this. We used to make this mistake. YouTube allows 500 characters when adding tags. So you use as many as possible to keep tags very relevant to your video. So let's not find our tag side or tag element is open and it may be put 3-4 tags. I used to do that. But when I came to know, for me to earn money, for me to draw the search engine, for me to draw the search results very well, people to search and they get my videos, get your videos, I make sure that I have 500, at least 500 characters. Then this one is about, another one is add captions. Do you know, most of us, like this video you're watching, you see the captions which are there. It's very important, even if it is on Facebook, even if it is where add captions, it's very good because they provide assistance to people who are visually impaired users. They can consume it also because there are some people who don't want to listen but wants to keep reading. So this is very good for you. Then you add cards. This is another good practice. What are cards? Add cards, as you can see. When add cards in order to provide relevant external information to your video. If maybe you can add cards in terms of another video that is related, or the one you want them to read, or a related video of years of your website, or subscribe, anything, you have to add them. These are best practices. Then end screen is also very important. When your video is ending, please make sure you direct viewers where should they watch. There are some people who, of course, it's very hard for someone to watch up to the end, but that is not your cup of tea. You do your part and the rest will follow. So you add end caps, they help you, end screens, they help you direct the viewer where you want to link to other videos. Then the last but not least, please always add to playlist. Add to playlist. Please, you might find you have your videos but you don't have playlist. All my you'll see I have like different playlists for all my channels. When you put a playlist, there are advantages that when someone is reading and wants to know more, will go to the playlist and continue watching. So when your video is ending, it increases watch time by adding your videos to a playlist of yours. It's a bonus, you guys. Make sure it's added to a series of playlists. Last but not least, it's about you need to make sure that at least you advertise your videos on Facebook. Yeah, it's not a must that you have to only focus. It's a plus, by the way. If your video as YouTube gets some likes from Facebook, it's okay. You can see I always advertise my videos on my profile. So this is what you are supposed to do, and these are the 10 ones. So when you find at least you're scoring all of them 10 over 10, you just do your video, sit and wait for the money. Money is there, but we need to work out and make sure that we have good practices. Thank you very much, you guys. I love you. See you in another video. Bye bye.